How to lock or unlock Bank of America debit card. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are about to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow up to check it out. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can head over to Bank of America website and go over and log in into our account if we're not logged in. Once we are logged in, what we can do is hover over to the account services or card settings. After you hover over there, you can select this option called Manage Card Settings and head over to the next option. The next step. Here, what we need to do is we need to select our card. So your ATM or debit card will automatically appear. We can select the card that we want to lock and then click on the option, this one right here, lock this card, the toggle option. We can turn it on and and you can click on lock or unlock. And if you're unable to locate your card, you can order a new or replacement card on the screen and also click on the option to order a new replacement card and follow the prompts. If your card was lost or stolen, you can take action on a lost or stolen card and then follow out the prompts. After you turn it on, you can just go and read to the terms and conditions, select lock the card option. And after you lock your card, purchases and withdrawals are blocked. Recurring payments may still go through. We can unlock it anytime. And also you can check out your suspicious transactions if you want extra security while not using it. And logging is temporary, so you should report it immediately or request a replacement card or call the customer service or do it in the app if you have locked your card and it's lost. But usually this is how you should be able to lock it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.